Hey, this is Cornelius here from Martens CNC. And I want to introduce our brand new CNC Tube Cutter. This is a 30-foot version. We can do anything from 10 feet to 40 feet or even longer. We can customize them really to whatever size you need. And really cool feature about this machine is this touchscreen masso controller. It's very easy to use. It's very user-friendly. It's a completely touch. I mean, you have a few buttons here. You have the emergency stop, which is obviously important. And this, you can just plug in a USB right here in the bottom. And you can also send files via Wi-Fi. So it has a Wi-Fi feature right here, so you can connect to your Wi-Fi, and you'll be able to just directly from your computer, you can directly just put a file with your DXF file, send it to this computer, and then you're all set. And so let me demonstrate a file that I prepared here for you guys. So we're gonna go into load file and select the program, press load. Let me first zero everything out right here, and then we'll select the program, and then go in the program mode, and here we can adjust our feed. I'm gonna go about at 80%, and ready to cut. All I gotta do is hit the cycle start button. You can either hit it here or here. We'll hit the start button, and then ready to roll. All right, guys, that wraps up the demonstration for today. If you guys have any more questions, feel free to ask, DM us, like, share, and follow us for more.